Hey guys, Czar here, back with you, 1043. Looking for a potential long back up towards the open range here on the NASDAQ. I had a short this morning, 2-hour winner, a nice clean win. And the news came out and drove it even lower. And it could have been like a, I don't know, 12-hour win. Not quite, but maybe 6 or 7. But that's neither here nor there. This is the prior 30-minute candle high. I quite like this trade idea, guys. So I'll wait for this to form. If it continues to maintain its current structure, then I will likely take this. I'll be back with you. And I'm in, guys. Just got triggered in. So I'm long the NASDAQ now, having been short this morning. A little switch up here. I'll get rid of this arrow and keep this nice and clean. I'll put you back on pause and we'll watch to see how this unfolds. Second trade of the day. First one was down. This one is an attempt to go back up again. I will say this is a before lunch. I normally take a zone reversal or a reversal trade in the afternoon after a significant down in the morning. But this is a kind of a unique situation where we had a very substantial move in the pre-market. This move alone, before the next move happened, as you can see, was very significant, right? So very extended. And then we got a really big move after the open of New York. And so this is an extended piece. We've also tapped a key zone that goes way back to here 3 days ago. This goes back to Wednesday, 2 days ago. Today is Friday. And rejected with this kind of a small-bodied candle, if you will, and then a break above. This break above the prior candle, there it is there, is right here, and then this nice fairly orderly zigzag pullback, and now break above. This to me is worth flipping the coin for, even though it's before lunch, and even before the European market closes. We still have 30 minutes, 28 minutes now. We'll see if we can get some juice out of this thing to at least take us to the primary target of 1 hour. I'll put you on pause and we'll come back. And there it is, guys. The primary target of 1 hour has been hit, so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game. We'll see if we can go even higher here. I'm getting a little extended. This is a 2-minute chart now. I switched from the 1 to the 2 to include all the candles. This is a zone reversal trade, guys. Tapped into a zone, small bodied candle, break above. I didn't take it right on the break above, which would have been here. I waited for the impulse, the corrective, and then for the EMAs to flip bullish. Right here, if I just took this break, we'd still have very bearish EMAs, and that would not be the structure that I'm looking for. So this is a impulse wave down, corrective wave up, failure to reach a new low, and then break above, but the EMAs were not there for me. Waited for this nice orderly retest, then the break above the pivot structure, which is right here, right? And target 2 has been hit, so the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability as well. I actually stepped away, guys, for quite a while. I had to go do some housework. We have dinner guests tonight, as I mentioned to my group. So I just set these orders and letting this thing play out. As you know, I've been in this trade since 11 a.m., so before the twilight zone. It is now 2:10 in the afternoon. This is a 2-minute chart, so lots of candles in there. We'll wait to see if we can play out all the way to 2R. And of course, the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. But the other models are still here very much engaged and or left the game with full profits. Be right back. And there it is, guys. Finally, 4 hours and 10 minutes later, this trade finally ends, coming all the way back to the original stop. So the 1R and the 1.5 hour all or nothing models were fully profitable. The 2R move stop to break even was break even, of course, and only one model, the 2R all or nothing, the most aggressive model, will take a 1R charge on this one, but a nice profitable day. 2R down, 1.5 hour back up. And that's a nice way to finish a week and to end a Friday. And this, guys, will be my last live kind of trading video for the next, I don't know, weeks or months, as I change things up a little bit the way I run my YouTube channel and the Telegram channel, and moving away from these long recorded, edited videos that take up so much of my time and energy. But I think it'll be a positive development going forward. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here. Hope you have an amazing weekend. Take care, guys. We'll talk soon.